So yun guys, good afternoon po. First vlog natin ha. Hapon na. Hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog ng gabi. So look at Akira. Say hi Akira. Hi. Go Akira. Go Akira. Tatas natin yung upuan niya mamaya. Sige. Sige. Dito ka sa gilid, may tricycle. Sa gilid lang ha. Ay, motor pala. O, sige na, diretso na. Huwag na masyadong gilid. Go. Sige, go. Go. So, yeah, we're gonna go. We're going to spot. So, thank God you allow us to play in your backyard. Lalaro po tayo sa The Shrine. Be, gilid, may tricycle. Nice, baby girl. Ayan, ganyan lang, diretso lang. Go, Akira, go. Look at that two girls over there. There's Angela and Alexis. So, back up lang ako ni Akira. Waiting over here. Begilid. We're going to this spot. Then play. I'm gonna play some. Siyempre, progression.